At Lake Mead, crews are drilling 34 well shafts at the construction site of the new low lake level pumping station. When finished, the pumping station will keep the water flowing to the more than 2 million people who live and work in southern Nevada, even if the lake falls to a level where Hoover Dam can no longer release water downstream. Nearly 90% of southern Nevada's drinking water comes from the mighty Colorado River, where it begins as snowmelt in the Rocky Mountains. The snowmelt travels through a series of tributaries into the river, which stretches 1,450 miles and serves 40 million people from Colorado to Mexico. Nevada receives 300,000 acre-feet of Colorado River water per year, and the Southern Nevada Water Authority treats and delivers that water to Valley customers. The effects of the record drought on the Colorado River are illustrated at Lake Mead with the visible white bathtub ring. Since the drought began in 2000, the lake's water levels have dipped more than 130 feet. To protect our community's water supply, the Water Authority built a third intake to draw upon Colorado River water at lake elevations below 1,000 feet. Completed in 2015, the third intake draws high-quality water from deep within the lake and ensures access to the water even if lake levels continue to decline due to drought. In 2014, a Citizens Advisory Committee recommended the Water Authority take the next step: build a low lake level pumping station to further protect the community from losing access to nearly all of its water supply due to declining lake levels.
Well, when the low lake level pumping station is complete, it'll work in concert with intake number 3. That will allow us to draw water from a much deeper location in Lake Mead that insulates our community from declining lake levels. In fact, if Lake Mead gets to a water level where water can no longer pass through Hoover Dam, Southern Nevada is still going to have access to our primary water supplies, so we'll continue to meet the needs of our community's water demands.
The pumping station, now under construction, will be able to pump water if Pumping Station 1 can no longer function due to low lake levels. So how will it work? 34 submersible pumps will access water fed from intake 3 into a forebay, or underground cavern, more than 500 feet below the surface of Saddle Island, and then push it through 2 large diameter aqueducts. The aqueducts will feed the water to SNWA's 2 state-of-the-art water treatment facilities. One aqueduct will carry water to the Alfred Merritt Smith Water Treatment Plant located at Lake Mead. The other will push water to the River Mountains Treatment Facility in Henderson. Combined, the 2 plants are capable of treating 900 million gallons of water a day. Although Lake Mead's water levels could decline further, and a potential for a declared shortage looms in the near future, SNWA is prepared to meet the challenges. With the help of Southern Nevadans, we have already proven water is a vital resource worth protecting. Thanks to the community's aggressive response to conservation measures, Southern Nevada will have an adequate supply to meet our annual water needs, even if shortages are declared. That's because conservation efforts have reduced community water use by 1/3 since the drought began, which will allow the community to absorb these shortages without making any drastic change in current water use.
Well, the Southern Nevada Water Authority puts a lot of care into our future planning, and with a 50-year water resource plan, combined with the water efficiencies that we've seen in this community and our reductions in water use, Southern Nevada is well prepared for the future. In fact, we'll be able to continue providing water service to this community even if a shortage is declared on the Colorado River, and we won't have to make any drastic changes in our water use. That's because we did a lot of our heavy lifting years ago, which reduced our water use and has put us in a very good position going forward.
The low lake level pumping station on Saddle Island will be complete in 2020. Reporting for Waterways, I'm Jason Gifford.